everyone, specialty user. So today we're going to tackle about the categories and development of Philippine arts. Next is arts is an important part of Filipino culture and identity. It reflects the history, traditions, beliefs, and experience of the Filipino people. In this chapter, students learn about the categories of the Philippine art, how art has evolved in the country, and how to analyze and appreciate visual work. So, arts is an important part of Filipino culture because reflects siya sa ato ang history ug mga tradition and beliefs and also the experience of the Filipino people. Kani nga chapter is mga students can learn siya about the categories of the Philippine art o ganang how art mag-evolve through the country and how to analyze and appreciate the visual works. So there are the two categories of Philippine arts. First is we have the indigenous art and second is we have the contemporary arts.
Indigenous art, kani ang mga traditional art na ginabuhat sa mga katutubong Pilipino inspired by nature, daily life, and beliefs. Sa una man gyud kay ga-focus lang sila sa unsay naa sa ila, unsay na experience sa ilang mga ninuno ug ilang na-learn sa ilang mga ninuno. Tas sa pag-express sa ilang art is through unsay naara pod sa ila such as kahoy, dahon ug pang mga material sa ilang lugar or local material. Ginapasa nila gikan sa mga katigulangan ngadto sa sunod pang mga henerasyon. Example is lumang sining ng mga ninuno na may kinalaman sa kultura at tradisyon. Example, pag-curve og kahoy. Second is contemporary art. Ang modern art na ginabuhat sa kasalukuyang nagabase sa mga nahitabo karon pareha sa social issues, technology o personal experience sa artist. Karon daghan naman og info, daghan na pog way para maka-receive og info like issues. That's why gaka-influence ta. And daghan na pud og way para makahimog arts or ways para ma-express ilang arts kay karon daghan naman og mga high-tech ang mga inventions related to art. Example is modern art that shows ideas and issues of today like digital art or graphic design.
So evolution of art in the Philippines has been developed throughout the history. It has been influenced by different periods. In early times, Filipino art was based on nature and everyday life, like mga simple crafts, carvings, and pottery o body decorations. When the Spanish colonized the country, art became more religious. Daghan na og mga paintings and sculptures about saints and churches. During the American period po, new styles were introduced, making art more modern and realistic. Mas ni-advance pa ang mga techniques. Sa karang today na to nga arts is a combination of traditional and modern style. Ang artist is kanang express na sila sa ilang identity, culture, and even social issues. Ipakita nila ang feelings through different forms of paintings. I like paintings, digital art, and performance. Colonial period. Before ganing colonization, Filipinos they already creative and mga skilled na. They made pottery, jewelry, body art, tattoos, and carvings. These were kaning is dili ni siya just a simple decorations lang. Di na ni sila mga deep meanings connected to their beliefs and daily life. For example, is their design often showed mga connection sa nature and their spiritual beliefs. Ang ilang body art o mga tattoos dili lang para forma. Nagpakita ni siya o ganing kagitingan, status o identity sa usa ka tawo sa ilang community. Ang ilang carvings pod is ilang carvings o crafts and nag-represent siya sa ilang tradisyon o pagtuo.
During the Spanish period art, the Philippines was monthly focused on religion. This because Spain introduced Christianity, especially churches were decorated with paintings and sculptural pictures of saints of the Filipino artists learned Western styles from Spanish influences. During American period, art education improved. Artists began using new techniques and explored different themes behind religion.
Bruni.
In the, in the American period, arts began to change and grow. Education improved, including art education to artists learned new techniques and skills. They started to explore different subjects, not a religion, such as daily life, nature, and personal expressions. This period helped Filipino art become more modern and diverse.
Modern and contemporary period. In modern times, Filipino artists began expressing national identity and social issues in their works. Today, artists use both traditional and modern styles to create meaningful artworks. The modern world and contemporary period sa art is a time where Filipino artists nagsugod og express sa ilang national identity o social issues through their artworks. Di na lang ni siya for decoration but usa kani kaway to share ideas, feelings o unsay nahitabo sa society. Maong sa panahon sa artist, nag-explore og new techniques and styles pero wala nila dahil ang traditional forms. Ikunbay nila ang daan og bag-ong maagi sa paghimo og art. Karong panahon, artists use both traditional and modern styles aron makahimo og meaningful artworks nga nag-reflect bitaw sa current reality o mga issues sa tong palibot. Critical and analytical discussion of visual arts. To understand art better, students must learn how to analyze artworks. This includes description, looking of the artwork and describing what is seen, color, shapes, materials. Ang description daw kay ang pagtanaw sa artwork o pagulagway sa makita sa color, forma or materials. Two, analyze understanding how the elements of art are used. Pagsabot bitaw sa kung diun sa paggamit ang mga elemento sa art. Interpretation, explaining in the meaning or message of the artwork. Explain the message or meaning. Evaluation, giving on opinion about the artwork, value or importance.
Importance of Filipino art. First, preserves culture and tradition, so it keeps our old ways, costumes, and heritage alive so we don't forget them. Second, tell the story of the Filipino people, so it shows our history, experience, and who we are as a nation. Third, express emotion, beliefs, and ideas, so it is a way for artists to share their feelings, thoughts, and that they believe in it. Fourth, promote national pride and identity, so it makes us feel proud to be Filipinos, to remind us our own unique culture. Conclusion, Philippine art is a very rich and has many different forms, so it changes and grows over time from a traditional styles to modern ones. So when we learn about its histories and how to look at art, we understand and appreciate it even more. Thank you, sir.